Hi, you are watching Kids Screen Learning.
Lion, a big, strong cat called the king of the jungle. Tiger, a powerful striped cat that hunts alone. Leopard, a fast spotted cat that climbs trees. Cheetah, the fastest land animal. Jaguar, a strong spotted cat living in rainforests. Panther, a black big cat that hides in the dark. Elephant, a huge animal with a long trunk. Giraffe, the tallest animal with a long neck. Zebra, a striped animal that looks like a horse. Hippopotamus, a big animal that likes water and mud. Rhinoceros, a heavy animal with 1 or 2 horns. Gorilla, a large, strong monkey. Chimpanzee, a smart monkey that uses tools. Orangutan, a red-haired monkey living in trees. Baboon, a monkey with a long face and sharp teeth. Wolf, a wild dog that lives in packs. Fox, a small wild dog with a bushy tail. Hyena, a laughing hunter that works in groups. Bear, a big animal that eats plants and fish. Polar bear, a white bear that lives on ice. Panda, a black and white bear that eats bamboo. Koala, a soft gray animal that sleeps in trees. Kangaroo, a jumping animal with a baby pouch. Wallaby, a smaller cousin of the kangaroo. Sloth, the slowest animal that hangs on trees. Armadillo, a small animal with a hard shell. Hedgehog, a tiny animal covered with spikes. Porcupine, a rodent with long sharp quills. Squirrel, a small tree animal with a fluffy tail. Chipmunk, a striped small squirrel. Rabbit, a fast animal with long ears. Hare, a bigger, faster rabbit.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.